In this video, we're going to go over overlay controls. So to toggle overlay, all you have to do is hit the O button whenever you're not in typing mode. And there are a couple customizations you could do to the overlays. If you go into the menu and hit overlays, you'll get overlay color and overlay opacity. Now overlay color will change the actual color of the overlay. So let's say we want a nice little red and we get off of it. It turns it red. And let's say that we need a little bit more red. We could change the opacity, which basically changes how see-through it is, so how much we could see the text behind it. So let's change this to 50, see what that does. And again, if you want to toggle them off, because you don't need them anymore, or you're just in a place where there's a picture, like this picture right here, and you want to see the real colors, you could always hit O, and it turns them right off. And if you want the overlays to be on by default, so whenever you reload a page, you just click this, and they'll be automatically toggled on every time that you load up a new page. And that's it for overlays in version 2.0 of the Dyslexic Browser. If you have any ideas for things that could be added to make this more useful, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Happy browsing.